Hi, how are you all doing? I hope you are absolutely safe, healthy, happy, having wonderful holidays. My name is Aditi, and today I thought let's share something that is fun, free, and authentic at the same time. These are 7 amazing websites that every student must know about. And especially if you're from the field of design, then you will find this video even more helpful because I'll share with you a couple of free design resources as well. So let's end that suspense and let's dive in. Let's start with the first one on our list, and this is called UniDays. This website has a list of all the top services and brands which offer special discounts to just students. Isn't that awesome? So all you have to do is create an account and register your college ID details, and there you have a list of all the coupon codes that you can save and use the next time you plan to buy something expensive. It's a great tool for people on budget. Do check it out. Second one is for those people who have to deal with a lot of written text, like a lot of writing work, researching, reports and presentations. Then there is this website called plagiarismdetector.net. The name says it all, and I'm sure you've guessed the purpose. It's a plagiarism detector tool, but the good part is it's free. You don't have to pay for the services as long as your report is less than 1,000 words. It will not just tell you what part of the document is copied, it will also share a link to that page or book that you got your content from. Next website is for all you people who are planning to study abroad, especially in Canada, the States or UK. If you have a couple of universities and you have to make your decision, then this is a great research tool. It's called ratemyprofessors.com. You can type in name of the university or the specific professor who's planning to take up your course, and then you can read what their ex-students have got to say. This is a 100% anonymous and non-sponsored website, but because the website is so anonymous, obviously we need to take in all the reviews with a pinch of salt. But you know, when a place is genuinely good or when a professor is genuinely fantastic, obviously many people, majority of the people will say wonderful things about them. And this just gives you a lot of confidence when you have to make a decision about a university, about a place which is totally worth your time and effort. Next one is a colorful website. It's a free color palette generator. What is a color palette, in case you're hearing it for the first time? Well, let me give you a simple example. When you walk into a hotel or a restaurant, you must have noticed that the walls and the furniture follow a specific set of colors repeatedly. There are hotels which use a lot of gold and yellow and brown and reds, and then there are certain restaurants which use a lot of blues and purples and green. There is a certain uniformity that is followed to enhance the overall aesthetics of the space. All brands follow a certain set of colors repeatedly, and this is to maintain their brand identity. So this website that I'm telling you about, it's called Coolers, and this generates the color palette for free. All you have to do is visit the website and click generate. You can keep hitting the space key and you will see random combination of colors being displayed, and once you like something, you can save the hex code which is shared at the bottom of the color. Also, if you've clicked a picture, let's say you really like the blue in the sky, but you don't know what is that exact color of blue that you're looking at, what's that exact shade name, what's the hex code, you can simply upload that picture on the software, and within just a couple of seconds, it will show you the hex code you're looking for. And once you have that hex code, you can obviously use it for any kind of graphics that you plan to edit. The next tool is for everyone who has to deal with a lot of documents and you want to give your boring documents a makeover, but you don't know much about graphic design and you don't know where to start. Then there is a website called Font Joy, which will give you a lot of joy. You need to visit the website, and all you have to do literally is to keep hitting the generate button. Random combinations of font styles will be displayed. Once you like something, all you need to do is look towards your left side and you will see the name of the font you're looking at. There is a high probability that the font style you're looking at is already installed in your document editing tool, or you can simply download it online. But like I told you, this is a great way to give your boring documents a makeover and boost your presentation marks. Sixth tool is for all the smart people. It's called smartbricks.com. It's for everyone who's planning to buy a gadget and invest a lot of your money, but you don't know where to start and you want to make sure that you're making the right choice, then you can definitely check out this website. You need to just type in the name of the product that you're planning to buy, click the product, and there you will see all the pros and cons of making that purchase. What are the current deals and what is the spec score? That is my favorite part. You can also compare the spec score of one product with something else that you're confused about, and once you've made your decision and you're sure, you go on the shopping website. Let's say it's Amazon. You can copy the link of the product and paste it on a website called pricebefore.com. This website will show you the entire price timeline of the product. It's incredibly helpful. It will show you the current product price, the highest and the lowest price as well. If the current price of your product is closest to the highest range, then maybe it's time to hold for some time and wait for some upcoming discount or sale. Now, this is something I saved for the last, which is personally my favorite, and I'm sure you will also have a lot of fun with it. It's called Quick Draw. It's an AI experiment by Google, and it's like playing Pictionary with the internet. How awesome is that? So you visit the website, and there you have a topic that is pretty simple to understand, and then you have about 20 seconds to sketch it out, and AI will guess your sketch or your doodle.
I see line. Or computer keyboard. Oh, I know, it's eraser.
There are so many things that we are surrounded by. We think we know its shape and structure perfectly well, but it's only once you begin to sketch it out within those 20 seconds, you realize that you need to work on your observation skills. For example, if you have 20 seconds in your hand, how will you sketch the difference between a bird and a duck, or a shark and a whale, or a box and a razor? If you're preparing for any design entrance test, this is a far more productive pastime than that mindless scrolling we do on social media. It's definitely worth checking out, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun. I'll add the link to all of these websites in the description box. And with that, we have reached to the end of today's website special video. I hope this was helpful, interesting, insightful in some way. If the answer is yes, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me to come up with more and more content for you. In the meanwhile, any questions, suggestions, feedback for me, you can write all of that in the comment section, and I will try my absolute best to get back as soon as possible. Till then, have a fantastic day ahead and take care of yourself. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.